Hello guys, I'm tuning my RC car which had hoverboard motors here, and here it has scooter motors, but turns out it's very bad idea because it's too heavy and the frame is quite light. So I'm gonna use standard wheels with transmission. So this is a part for a car. Yeah, to this wheel. Looks like this. And I built this now. And here is a shaft. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm back. And now the tuning is finished. So the rear. It has homemade drive shafts made from bolts. There's a right angle gearbox made from angle grinder. Also there's a bolt, and then there's another drive shaft with M5 hex nut, so it goes here. Yeah. Then there's a motor with mounting. That's how it looks like. There's a belt. The motor is rewinded by me to 700 kV. Then there's front, which was the most difficult, most changes I made. Here the arm was like square, so I have to weld some parts there and then cut it. Also, I thought the front would be drivable as well, so there are drawings. Yeah, there's bolts, same as on the rear, but then I realized it's quite useless, and I would have to completely change the steering system, and the servo motor would be somewhere else. Now the servo motor is directly connected here. It works like this. Yeah. Also the suspension arm have to move a little bit because the tire would just collide there. This is what I didn't want. So now just let's assemble it and see it in action. I'm back now. It's been finally assembled. I added oil in the gearbox. It's motor, battery 6S, the ESC, Drone ESC, the cheapest one, servo motor, 160 kg, fly sky, receiver, and there is a motor driver because the inside electronic of that servo died, so to save money I bought a micro servo and then a motor driver. So the signals from a micro servo are controlling the motor driver, and the motor driver is controlling that motor inside that servo. Let's see in action. Oh. One mistake and it died. Servo is broken. Probably inside gears just slipped or something. But I think it's enough. Safe to say, it's my quietest car. Yeah, the belt's really making it much quieter. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Alright, so what happened, it literally stripped the servo arm. That's absolutely crazy. And then the wire here will get burned up. Just burn, yeah, so the motor is fine, but the wires burn. Crazy.